Hello guys, so today I want to talk to you guys a way on how you can make money online, how you can watch videos, take surveys, answer questions, you are getting paid in return. You are doing simple things, you are getting paid. So let us talk about those websites that will allow you to make money online for 100% guarantee free. So we are talking about how you can make money online for free. There's a website that allow you to take surveys online and you are getting paid, like answering question, downloading application, downloading application, watching videos, completing a particular task, entering your email, are getting paid in return. So the first website we are talking about today is called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a simple website that works worldwide. It works internationally. This website, which is Swagbucks, it allows you to take surveys, answer questions. Like if you want to use some apps to send money to your friends and family, this application, which is Swagbucks, you are getting paid. If you use the application through Swagbucks, you are getting paid. Like downloading application, playing bet, you are playing a bet. You are that kind of person who loves playing games online. This application or website, which is called Swagbucks, will pay you money to do all those tasks online. So this website that you can still use to make money online is called Featurepoints. So Featurepoints allows you to take surveys, answer questions, download application, you are getting paid. So those applications that they allows you to take surveys, answer questions, you are getting paid in return. What I like about Featurepoints is that it allows you to download application. You use the application just for 2 minutes. You can make up to 1,000 points on Featurepoint. Featurepoint will pay you on paper. So let me say, for example, you are wondering how you are going to receive your money on those applications I'm talking about. How you can receive your money is on paper. So they will pay you on cash into your paper account, Amazon Visa card. It depends on how you wish to receive your money. So they have a bunch of payments method that you can use to receive your money at the end of the day if you start using those websites. So those websites I'm talking about today, the links of those websites will be in the description below. Let me say, for example, if you want to cash out or if you want to watch video where I show step by step how to install it, how you can download the application, or how you can use the website or apps. So all the links will be in the description below if you want to go and do it or follow it up with my video. The links will be in the description below. So the next website we are going to talk about again today is application that allows you use it on your. It's called Honeygain. Honeygain app allows you to you install this app on your smartphone, and all you just need to do, install it and register, and you are going to be getting paid every day. As long as you have internet connection, you are getting paid in return for using this application, which is called Honeygain. You can install it on your smartphone, iPhone or Mac or Windows computer, Windows 10, Windows, whatever computer that you have, you can use this app, which is called Honeygain. So yeah, that is the third app or third website we are talking about today. Then the fourth website that you can use to make money is an apps tool that allows you to make money. So this application, I have made money. All those applications I'm talking about, I have used them and I've been making money with them. Fourth app which I want to talk about is called Mcmoney app. Mcmoney app is an app that allows you to receive SMS. Each time you receive a message, you will get 4 cents for each message you receive on your smartphone. So you will get 4 cents for receiving message on your smartphone. So I don't know what you are waiting for. Those apps are free and you are not paying any money, and you can use them from the comfort of your home at your free time when you want. So all you just need to do, what is required to use all those apps that I'm talking about, what is required is just for you to have internet connection on your smartphone. So you don't need a computer. All you just need is your smartphone, and that is all. You just need your smartphone to use those applications. So that is everything I need to talk about. I know you'll be wondering, but I'm talking about those applications. Now I've talked about it before, like the payment method. For example, you are wondering, how can I receive my money? Okay, I'm using those apps, but how am I going to be able to use those apps and get paid? So like I said, you will get paid on PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, much Visa gift card. So they have a bunch of ways that you can use to receive your money. So it doesn't matter if you live in a country where they don't accept this payment, there is another option for you. And let me say the bonus of this video, I love giving bonus at the end of my video. So the bonus of this video is this app that allows you to do something very simple. This app allows you to do something very simple. It's the app that allows you to watch videos. This app only allows you to watch only videos. You don't do any other thing. You can only watch video and refer people to this program. So that is the bonus of this app, which is called Hideout TV. Hideout TV is app that allows you to watch videos and you are getting paid. And the second bonus of this video is that There's apps too that is called Instagc. Instagc is a cool app that allows you to take survey, complete tasks, and you are getting paid. And at the end of the day, you will get paid into your paper account. But one of these app, which is Instagc, which is the bonus, it says that you need to make sure you have your paper account verified. So if you want to verify your paper account, there's a video I'll still leave in the description that will show you how you can verify your paper account. Instagc only wants you to verify your paper account before they will allow you to start using it. It's a legit site, and I've talked about this website and I've used it to make some free cash online. So if you want to use all those methods, the links will be in the description below if you want to watch the full video of each website. And other thing I want to talk about, if you want to start affiliate marketing, the links of all my affiliate marketing videos will be in the description below. And if you check my YouTube channel, you will still find a bunch of videos that I have made about affiliate marketing, and you can try them out to see if you want to get involved into affiliate marketing. So that's it, guys. I'm going to end this video. There's a link that will pop up, which will be my SEO tools website, which is USafe SEO. You can go and check these SEO tools out that allows you to do a lot of things like analyze your website, check your email validation, and do a lot of things. So you can do a lot of things with my SEO tools, which is USafe SEO. You can just go and check it out on Google. Just type www.usafeseo.com, and yeah, so go and check it out. And I will say thank you very much. You can go and ask me any question on our forum on my main website, which is YouGospel. You can go and ask me a question if you have any question to ask me, and I'll say thank you very much. If you want to join my forum, like I said, go to my website, which is www.yougospower.com. Go and check my forum out. And if you want to talk to me directly, you can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will say thank you very much and see you on the next video.